Hi guys, you're watching Elms BMX. This video is to do about my bike, my bike check. So, this is a good bike. This is called a Mafia bike I got. It's all in blue, light blue. It's kind of like a clip bike. And it's got a small sprocket, as you can see. Listen to this. And I got Saltum handlebars. I got kind of grippy grips. I got you probably recognise the company of this logo on my wheel. If you can see it there, that little yellow thing. There. Yeah, these are really good tyres. These tyres last quite a long time. What bloody hell, that's it. Yeah, I got a Diamondback stump peg on the back of my wheel, so I can do peg wheelies, as you can see there. I got a couple of stickers on my bike, right? I got Monster Energy stickers on my bike and all. See on the forks, you can see them. This bike is actually quite good because I can do mostly more tricks on this bike, and plus it's quite light. So yeah, it's pretty good. I've got clip pedals, as you can see, clip ones. As you can see, these are clipped on, and again, to make a good noise, the sprocket does. Yeah, so it's pretty good, really. This bike hasn't down yet, so you see I'm customising it at the same time. If you look there, that's my old bike. I only use this one very rarely. I just customised up that one a bit, but back tyre's got a puncture at the moment, so yeah. So that's my bike check. If you want to watch more videos like this, go on Facebook or YouTube, pictures and stuff. So see you later, that's all for me.